A great benefit of Mylio Photos Plus is the ability to keep all your devices in sync. Now, one of the easiest ways to do this is with the SpaceSaver preset. By default, as you start adding devices like phones or iPads, they don't have that much space on them. Maybe your laptop is the same situation. For me, my photo library is about 13 terabytes of data, and they do not make a 13 terabyte laptop or iPad or phone. If they did, I can't even imagine how much it would cost. But fortunately, Mylio Photos offers an option called SpaceSaver. If you choose one of these devices and go over to your device sync policies, you can choose SpaceSaver from the preset list. What this will do is take advantage of optimized images for all your photos. An optimized image can be 1/10 or even 1/15 the size of the original RAW file. One of the main benefits, though, is that the file is still fully editable. So if we jump on in here and take a look at an optimized image, you'll see here visually it's basically lossless. Even as we zoom in, it's still a very high quality file to work with. Plenty of detail. And what's great is that you still have full RAW editing capabilities. So it's very easy to adjust the color temperature and tint, as well as work with more advanced options like highlight recovery, clarity, and really getting the shadows exactly right to dial it in. Everything is still raw photo data, but you're able to fit way more copies of images on all your devices. Plus, with the Mylio Photos Plus account, with just a click, you can download the full quality original file. It will connect to one of your devices that has a vault, even remotely, and pull that file down. And now all of the edits are transferred to that higher quality file when you need it. Using SpaceSaver makes it really easy to set up all your devices to fit the maximum number of files and gives you the ability to work with or without an internet connection wherever you want.